Alright guys, so today let me show you how I made this simple Afro beat. Okay, very simple. If you're a beginner, then watch this video. We're gonna start right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in the first studio now. I want to take you through how I made this simple Afro beat. I'm gonna walk you through how you can make simple Afro beat. Okay, so the first thing I started was with this chord progression. So first of all, start with a simple chord progression. Okay, simple like this. So let's listen to the chord progression alone. Alright, so you start with a simple chord progression. If you want to know how to develop chord progressions, then watch the video that will pop up on this screen. Very simple. So the next thing that you have to consider is to add a simple melody. Okay, so I added this simple melody. Okay, I'm gonna on the metronome, then you listen to it. Okay, very simple. Watch the video to the end because I'll show you what I've placed on the mix track. Okay, so I'm gonna combine the two. Let's listen. Let me off the metronome. Very simple guys. So the next thing I added to was this. Okay, so add simple things. Okay, simple melodies. Very simple guys. So I'm gonna add them. Let's listen. Alright guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's move on. So I added this counter melody. Very simple guys. So we're gonna add them. Very simple guys. Then I brought in this bass. Okay, I use hypersonic. Let's listen. Alright, so I wanted a talking bass. Okay, so let's combine everything. Okay, so let's combine everything. Alright guys, so right after that I was okay, so I brought in the shaker. Okay, so this is the shaker. Okay, so let me combine them. Alright guys, so right after that I brought in the snare. Let's listen to the snare, normal afrobeat groove. Alright, so I'm gonna add them. Very simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Links to my previous videos to also there. Go and watch them. Some of it may help you. You can download this sample pack too from the link in the description box. Okay, so let's listen to them. Alright, so I introduce some percussions. So this open hat I just brought in. Very simple. So let me add it. So the next thing I brought in was the kick. Let's listen to the kick. Normal afrobeat groove. Okay, then I added this peck. Okay, then I added the conga. I layer it with another conga. Alright, so guys, the drum sounds like this. Alright, so guys, let me add the melodies. Alright guys, so the CPU was disturbing, so we have to consolidate. Okay, so this is the original one, and now I've consolidated them into waves fast. Okay, so that we can save the CPU. Alright, so let me delete this ones. Okay, let me delete this ones. Very simple guys, like this. Alright guys, so let's listen to the drums alone. I started with the shaker. Then I brought in the snare. Then I brought in this open hat. So right after that, I brought in the kick. Let's listen. Alright, so from there guys, I added this percussions and the conga. Okay, so the drums sound like this. Alright guys, so the next thing I introduced was this vocal chop. Then this samba together with the drum fill. Okay, and this crash. Alright guys, because of the CPU I have to render the whole thing as a loop. So finally this is how everything sound together. Chord progression, I EQ it. Okay, very simple. On the chord progression, this was the EQ. Right, then with the melody I added reverb, then I also EQ it. Very simple. Okay, I did the same thing to this one. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna export everything as a wave file, then you listen to everything because the CPU is disturbing. So let me export it so that I play everything for you. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Okay, very simple guys. Let's listen to the whole loop. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. The name is God Size, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.